What? Giant egg?
What? Giant egg? It's blocking the tunnel.
Excuse me. I need to get through.
Sorry, you two. There's a giant egg in the way.
Giant egg? Oh, does that mean there's a giant chicken somewhere too? Oh, nope. Let's work together. Yeah. Come on. Oh.
Nope.
Aha.
I can help. Yeah. Ta-da! Yes, I can do that. Right. Ooh. Yeah. Nope, I can't help.
Aha. Ta-da! Okay then. Uh-oh. Wow!
Oh dear. Aha! I have a plan.
Goodbye, egg. Yes, I can do that.
Harold!
Yay! Come on, Harold. Whoa! Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Uh-oh! Whoa! Whoops! Aha!
Fire! Fire! Uh-oh. Whoa! Careful, pirate fundings. Fire!
Whoa! It's not working, pirates.
Fire! Huh? Hey! Who broke my window? Uh-oh! Run!
Aha! Got it!
Will it work? Huh? Ah! Fire! My cape is on fire!
I'm here to help.
Ah! Whoa! Ooh! Phew! The fire is out.
Nope, this didn't work.
Aha!
Uh-oh! Ooh! No rhino! Whoa!
Rhino! Oh, sorry everyone. Stop, Rhino! Oh dear, we can't move the giant egg.
Whoa!
Huh? James?
Wah! Oh!
Woohoo! Well done, James!
Yay! I did it!
Great!
Yay! The track is clear!
Ooh, the giant egg had a giant toy inside.
Giant toy? What is it?
Awesome.